Once you've successfully uploaded work samples for each of your students, you are ready to score them. Score should reflect your course standards and portfolio requirements. If you have questions about what you should be entering or how you score the work samples, please reach out to us for clarification. To access work samples, select the Work Samples page from the left-hand menu. From here, you can view each work sample that you've checked in by clicking on the eyeball icon. If you look at a work sample and notice that you uploaded the wrong file, you can click on the red Delete Work Sample button at the bottom of the page. To upload the correct work sample, follow the directions covered in the previous video. To score student work, click on the star icon next to the work sample you would like to score. This will take you to the Score Work Samples page. Under Elements on the right-hand side, you will score each element accordingly, leave comments if necessary, and submit. Once submitted, you will see what you scored the student on the Evaluations page. At this point, you will need to repeat this entire process for each work sample, starting with selecting the Work Samples page from the left-hand menu, clicking on the star icon next to the work sample you wish to score, and submitting the appropriate scores. When you return to the work sample page using the left-hand menu, you can see that the scored work sample no longer has the star icon. This means that you've scored the work sample and can move on to the next step in the process. For further questions, please contact us at willamettepromise@wesd.org.